the long o sound. Some Japanese words end in a long o sound, and this is almost always indicated by adding u to the previous o hiragana. For example, here we have ga, small tsu, so that's where we pause, and ko. Now without this hiragana on the end, that would be ga, ko. But if we add u, we read it ga, ko, ga, ko. And if we say that quickly, ga, ko, which is the word for school. Let's have a look at what happens when you put it after a combination hiragana. Here we've got ki with a little yo. That makes kyo. Now instead of it being kyo, we're going to add u and we're going to get kyo, kyo, kyo. And that makes that o sound in yo last longer. Kyo. And that means today. Let's move down now and have a look at this one. Ki, no, u. Without the u, it would be kino, kino. But with the u, it becomes kino, kino. It's got a long o sound, kino, and that's yesterday. Finally, we have a Japanese boy's name, Taro, Taro, Taro. Again, we've lengthened that ro by adding hiragana u. We write it, that's the hiragana u, when it's after an o hiragana. We write it in romaji with the letter u. But some books and dictionaries use either o without anything, or they put a line above the first o hiragana like this. So here we've got gakko. Now this is how we generally write it in romaji, ga, double K. That's representing that small tsu, isn't it? So gakko, but it can also appear as gakko with two O's, or sometimes in old-fashioned books, gakko with an O and a stroke or a line over the top of it, indicating that it's a long O. Remember, when you're writing things like gakko, small letters go in the bottom left-hand corner of an entire square. And let's have a look at the exercise that you have to do, and you'll see why I've mentioned that. This is the exercise that you have to do. Try writing the following words in hiragana. Shall we do the first couple together? Let's have a look at ko. Ko. We'll pop ko in first. And there we have ko. And here, to make that o sound long, we're going to pop hiragana u. And there we have ko. U. Ko. Let's have a look at the next one. Mo u. Here we have it here, mo u. So we're going to need mo here. And there's hiragana mo. And then we just need the u next to it. And there we have mo u. Mo. Before you do the rest, just check carefully to see whether there are any rules that you need to remember from before. For example, gakko, that double K letter, check how you're going to represent that. You might want to read up about your small tsu. And over here, Tokyo, you've got a combination hiragana, so you need to go back and check how you write combination hiraganas. Do the rest yourself. Ganbatte!